Welcome back to Lakefront Credit, my friends. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us find daunting: improving your credit score after bankruptcy. But fear not, because with the right steps and a bit of patience, you can bounce back stronger than ever. But before we get started on today's topic, be sure to get your free credit repair planner. This planner is 24 pages long and will help you organize all of the documents that you may need to submit during your credit restoration journey. It includes specific strategies to use when contacting the credit bureaus and collection agencies, a credit score tracker, a weekly and monthly planner, and much, much more. Check the description box below for the link to download your free credit repair planner today. Now, let's get started. First things first, it's important to understand that bankruptcy isn't the end of the world. It's a fresh start, a chance to rebuild your financial foundation. And one crucial aspect of that is rebuilding your credit score. Okay, now, step one, check your credit report. After bankruptcy, it's essential to monitor your credit report regularly. You can get a free copy of your report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. But there's another option. Here at Lakefront Credit, we've partnered with myfreescorenow.com to provide a comprehensive 3-in-1 credit report, which includes credit monitoring. Get all of your necessary information from the credit bureaus placed on one report. The link for this special offer is below in the description box. Now, once you get your credit report information, be sure to review it carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. If you spot any mistakes, dispute them immediately. Inaccurate information can drag down your score, so it's crucial to get it corrected as soon as possible. Step 2, create a budget. After bankruptcy, it's essential to get your finances back on track. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. Be sure to allocate funds for necessities like housing, food, and transportation, as well as for saving and paying down debt. Stick to your budget religiously and avoid overspending. By living within your means, you can avoid falling into the same financial pitfalls that led to bankruptcy in the first place. Step 3, establish a positive payment history. One of the most effective ways to rebuild your credit score is by making timely payments on any remaining debts. Whether it's a credit card, loan, or utility bill, paying on time every month demonstrates to lenders that you're a responsible borrower. Consider getting a secured credit card if you're having trouble qualifying for a traditional one. With a secured card, you'll need to make a cash deposit, which serves as collateral. Use it responsibly, keeping your balances low and paying it in full each month to avoid interest charges. To help you get started, check out our video on the 5 best credit cards to rebuild bad credit. Step 4, be patient. Rebuilding your credit score takes time and patience. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and responsible financial habits, you can gradually improve your score. Remember, bankruptcy is not the end of the road. It's a fresh start and an opportunity to take control of your finances and build a better future. So, stay focused, stay disciplined, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to a brighter financial future. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and wealth building. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.